Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and staying home to keep yourself safe from COVID-19. As in this chapter, we have completed discussion up to the topic rainy season. Here we are going to discuss in this module about the distribution of rainfall and monsoon as unifying bond. So these two topics we are going to cover in this module. So let us start. Distribution of rainfall. Parts of western coast, this western coast, mm, which color? Red color. Western coast is this part receives over about 400 centimeter rainfall annually. So this is about 400 rainfall is received by this area, whatever this violet part you are able to see. So this way, however, it is less than 60 centimeter in western Rajasthan and adjoining part of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. So if you will see this legend about the distribution of rainfall, ki how much rainfall is there. So see in this area, whatever this color is there, 0 to 20 or 20 to 40 centimeter rainfall is received in this Rajasthan. And if you take average, about 60 centimeter rainfall is received in this Rajasthan and Gujarat part, even in the Punjab and Haryana also. Rainfall is equally low in interior of the Deccan Plateau. Deccan Plateau is this part, and east of Sahyadri. East of Sahyadri, to understand this, you mm, east of Sahyadri. If you see this map, in this map it is very clear that this Western Ghat is only referred as Sahyadri. So here in this Western Ghat, just east of this Western Ghat, so that is the leeward side of this Western Ghats, and because of that region, here also rainfall is received very less. See here the table is showing ki how rainfall is decreasing in these areas. So why do these regions receive low rainfall? So most of the places here are having the definite region, as already we have discussed in our earlier module, uh, that here Aravalli mountain range is there. So because of that Aravalli mountain range, this Rajasthan part is receiving the less or negligible rain. Even in this Punjab and Haryana is because of the monsoon wind reaching at last in this area, because and that lose moisture on the way, and they have lesser moisture when they reach in this area, so they cause lesser rainfall than other part of the country. Similarly, if we talk about the Deccan Plateau region, so this Deccan Plateau region is also lying the back side of the Western Ghats. So here also that rainfall is seen lesser, and this part also. So this is lying in the leeward side of the Western Ghats. So that way it is receiving less rainfall. A third area of low precipitation is around Leh in Jammu and Kashmir. So in these areas that rainfall is less. The rest of the country receives moderate rainfall. According to this map, you can see here that most of the places these are receiving the moderate rainfall. Even in these eastern part receiving the better rainfall than other part of the country. Snowfall is restricted to the Himalayan region only, whatever this Himalayan region is there. So these areas are receiving the snowfall condition even in the rainy season. Owing to the nature of monsoons, the annual rainfall is highly variable from year to year. Whatever these rainfall is given, the average rainfall, this is not very much a strict rule or law okay, that every year the all the region will have the similar rainfall condition. So that vary year to year also. Variability is high in the region of low rainfall, such as part of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and leeward side of the Western Ghats. Why this variability is high? Ki often it is seen that sometimes the monsoon is not causing rainfall, so that areas are suffering from the drought condition. But in some of the years, that rainfall is caused by the monsoon wind due to other factors also, and that time there is a flood condition in these areas observed. So that way you can see ki how the variation is there in the rainfall condition in the region where low rainfall occur. As such, while areas of high rainfall are liable to be affected by floods, areas of low rainfall are drought prone. So whatever these areas of low rainfall are there, so there often drought comes during the rainy season if the rainfall does not occur. And the areas where this good rainfall condition is shown here in this map, that areas are receiving good rainfall along with the flood conditions. In the low-lying areas are the plain regions. If it is the hilly region, mountain region, so or the plateau region, okay, it is not having that flood condition. But if the plateau region also low-lying areas are suffering from the flood condition, and in the northern plain often face the flood condition every year. So monsoon as unifying bond. The seasonal alteration of wind system and the associated weather condition provide the rhythmic cycle of seasons. So in India, it is there a rhythmic cycle of seasons. Even the uncertainties of rain and uneven distribution are very much typical of the monsoons. That monsoon is not very much exact time reaching that every year that monsoon will reach the same timing, but some of the year it is early, some of the year it is late. But even though that is associated with the rainfall condition, weather condition, so the Indian landscape, its animal and plant life, its entire agricultural calendar, and the life of the people, including their festivities, revolve around this phenomena. That is monsoon. And because of this, all these different activities are revolving around this monsoon or the rainfall condition. So that way, it is joining the people together or unifying the people together with these different activities by these different activities. Year after year, people of India from north to south and from east to west eagerly await the arrival of monsoon because number of festival starts with the arrival of monsoon. The crop production or the agriculture is highly dependent on the rainfall, so the people are waiting for this monsoon every year. Even in India, the festival starts with the arrival of monsoon. That there is a May June months without festival, and as soon as monsoon comes in India or the month of the monsoon come, festival starts in India. So that way people are waiting for the monsoon. These monsoon winds bind the whole country by providing water to set the agricultural activities in motion. So as Most of the water bodies on l- land in India or even anywhere receives water from the rain. So that way, as rainfall occur, monsoon comes, rainfall occur, the agricultural activity get water from that, and that way it is unifying the people by this activity. The river valleys which carry this water also unite as a single river valley unit. So as the water is flowing down to slope, so that is also reaching to the different areas, connecting to the people by that river. So that way it is unifying the people, binding the people. So this way it this monsoon is playing an important role in unifying the people as unifying bond. Thank you. Have a nice day, students. I hope we have covered all the topics in this chapter in the different modules which we have discussed in previously and today. So now this is the end of the topic for this chapter. Revise the chapters. If not understanding, you can comment on this video also, and you can directly ask to me also. So till then, student, thank you. Have a nice day.